Welcome to this video explanation. Today our topic is load flow analysis through Matlab Simulink. There are a lot of ways to demonstrate to run load flow analysis in Matlab. There are two ways. One way is through Matlab coding, through M files, through scripts, and another way is through Matlab Simulink. Using scripts, M files, I already done a lot of work that is presented on my channel about load flow analysis, and now we are supposed to provide explanation related to load flow analysis through Matlab Simulink. Here is a demonstration video for that. It's not a complete video, it's just you can consider as introduction, and later on we will work on another softwares just like DlgSILENT and other softwares, and we will compare results of losses. So here we have details for this network. This is IEEE 14 bus system. Here we have inductor. Here we have a RLC component. Here we have buses black, and here we have synchronous compensator, and all other things are here. So let me show you something. So it's not a detailed video, it's just for introduction. So here are tools. These are all details available in this Simulink model. So click on load flow. So let me show you. It's compiling. Click on compute. So load flow converged, and here we have results for our all buses. Here 14 bus, 13 bus, and 10 buses. So here are all the details. So thanks for watching, and click on subscribe button, support us, and we will provide next. Later on we are working on. Thanks for watching, see you.